Dinosaurs are fascinating creatures to study. Some had elaborate frills and horns. Others were covered in armor and had pointed spikes jutting out from all sides. Movies, paintings, and drawings try to show us what dinosaurs were like. But like a puzzle without all the pieces, dinosaurs are somewhat of a mystery. No one knows exactly what they looked like or how they behaved. We can only guess from the fossil records of bones and teeth, claws and footprints, and even eggs that still have babies inside. So, what is a dinosaur? Did they live the same time as men? Are they still alive? Does the Bible say anything about dinosaurs? And is there a connection between dinosaurs and dragons?
Well, certainly dinosaurs are incredible creatures, and they were quite significant in their size, shape, and the varieties of sizes that we see. Some dinosaurs being 120 tons of steaks and roast, some of the other dinosaurs being as small as a chicken or a domestic dog, but all of them were dinosaurs. And we have to ask the question, where did dinosaurs come from? And clearly the fossil record shows, if it shows anything, that dinosaurs have always been dinosaurs. We find that dinosaurs had a unique skeletal anatomy. In biology, we call it a morphology. The skeletal anatomy of the dinosaur was such that it had its legs going straight out, up and down from its body, and it moved something like this. Whereas the reptiles that we see today are quite different from a morphological perspective. Their legs are splayed out like this, bent at the elbow, and they walk in such a fashion that I think we've all seen as we've watched reptiles climbing up the side of a wall. And so from that perspective, we find that dinosaurs and today's reptiles are quite different.